Good morning everyone. Yesterday we had a bit of an off day. We did do a lot of stuff, but didn't feel like filming because I was super tired. Still am a little bit, but hey. I don't know if vine is the correct botanical term, but let's call them vines for now. They grow up in these trees and suffocate them over time. So what we've done yesterday and what I will continue doing for a little bit now is cutting them out so they die off and the tree can, well, continue living. Lumberjacking done. On to the next task. Next thing to do is we're gonna try and check the plumbing in a different way, like what pipes they use. So we're in the basement now and trying to remove one of either the bidet or the toilet.
Welk?
Oh.
I think you can actually see the pipe already there. I tested with what, cement? Okay.
Looks like they pre-made that sewage canal, the canal, and then tiled over it. Alright, so there is this point next to the kitchen, and on the other side, where the old stove used to be, probably, there was this point. There's the canal that runs here, probably to that point there. But there's already like brick and sand and whatever big stuff in here. So I don't know if they use it as sewage in such a way. But the camera hopefully will help find out what it was used for and where the canal runs. And so we're gonna wait for that sewage camera. That is it for the basement. Now we're gonna try, because I think I was told that in the 70s they renovated 2 of the bathrooms above. So we're gonna go to the bathroom now and see if they used, what kind of plumbing they use, and if they use a different system or PVC pipe or anything like that. So let's see what they used and if we can actually access it in the first place.
Also, pretty stuck in there. Completely stuck.
Klinkt iets. Ja, kijk eens, de onderkant.
Ja, precies. Maar dat ligt heel het ding om.
Ja. Nou, misschien was dit denk ik.
Okay. Unexpectedly, but maybe logically, it runs that way, which
Comes to this little bit, which we can see in all, well, most of the rooms. In the kitchen is used for the stove, but here it can be used to go down for the sewage. So maybe there is a system there. Let's go one up, see if it's sort of similar or not. Also this one, same floor, maybe uses the same system, probably does. Again, uses this little 45-degree angle to let everything go down. Huh. So this is the second bathroom, second floor. And here we can sort of see similar thing without that 45-degree angle, but it's still in the same sort of location. I think, hopefully, and we'll be able to confirm it within a week or something if we have that camera. It water runs like this, the bidet goes into the wall, and then all end right there and then go down. That's what we think at least. And if someone, for the love of God, can tell me what this is, why did they connect these two bits with copper wire. It makes no sense for me, so if someone knows why, then please do tell me. So this is all connected. So both sides of the house, it runs through the corners in this 45-degree angle bit, and this ends up here and connects to that one. We just tried to film it, and I think we can see this canal attaching to that canal there. We need to wait for the camera to see how this canal runs through the basement. Meanwhile, we've been speculating about the rain collection system. So the roof terrace is quite big, and we've got this rain pipe that runs all the way down, and we thought it was quite weird that it just ends up right here. People were not stupid back in the day. All these things that were designed with quite a bit of thought in them. So we thought it was quite weird that they just end up here and then nothing, right? Because 200 square meters of roof terrace, you get, if you dump all that water here in this, actually this space is built so that basement is dry. It's quite weird to dump all that water here. So here, this is what we think. This rain system, the rainwater is dumped via this pipe, and then this all runs down. This runs down to that corner, sloping down, and that corner in turn slopes again to the left. So what we think is that the water might help flush the whole system and keep it clean. But obviously it is not clean now because there's a lot of shit in here for some reason. Don't ask me how people get all this shit in here, really. So a little segue, but we'll try to clean this out, see if it is connected to the sewage system in any way, where it ends up, and if it's clogged, then hopefully we can prevent that or clean it again so we can flush through and keep the basement dry, because that ultimately is the goal. Let's see if we can find it.
What the fuck are these? Are these diapers?